Здравейте хора, аз съм Fire Reacts и днес ще реагираме на хора, които са станали убийци. Да, това ще ми е първото видео. Сега ще ви кажа кое. Ето, чакайте първо да усилим. Ето това е He is in my stomach. Не знам какво означава това, но така, нека сега да започнем с видеото.
Though no one knew it at the time, Alexander Kenyua was about to do something unthinkable. His self-recorded videos give us a chilling glimpse into his twist.
И така хора, само да ви кажа нещо, казвам ви, това видео не го препоръчвам за деца, защото ако го гледате, ако сте под 12 или 13, ако сте под 14, не го гледайте, защото така просто мога да имате. Така че малки деца не гледайте, само гледайте тия големите. И това има глупости, ама да, просто не слушайте, аз ще ви кажа. Така, в смисъл, те няма да са показани, защото YouTube не искам да ви банвате този профил. Така, сега, нека да започваме.
It's always coming back, because always the mission is first. That's the start. The scars are getting cracked.
Though no one knew it at the time, Alexander Kenyua was about to do something unthinkable. His self-recorded videos give us a chilling glimpse into his twisted mind in the days before he
Мен е чудното за какво хора стават такива. Защо стават просто убийци? Какво ще стане? Просто ще отидете в полицията за 1000 години и така повече няма се върнете. Мен това ми е чудното за кого има.
Committed a truly disturbing act.
Do you see a bag of charcoal? Go ahead and open it. That's only part of it. I tasted something. It's tasting like a principle of your sauce. It's very slow base rice. So this whole thing happens to that. You keep doing that shit again, that's gonna keep happening. I don't feel this about it.
On the morning of May 25th, 2012, 37-year-old Kujo Bonsafo Agie Kodie, an international student from...
Какво е това име? Брат, Куенго Кюейджо Бонсейфо Анджей Кодей. What is that name? Какво е това име изобщо? Така, нека сега да продължим.
Ghana went out for a morning jog and never came home. Kujo has spent the last 6 months living with the family of one of his friends, Dr. Anthony Kenyua, a physics lecturer at Morgan State University. And when Kujo failed to return home that evening, the family grew concerned. That concern evolved into outright fear when the family discovered that Kujo's wallet, ID, and phone were still in the basement. Even if Kujo had decided to go out somewhere without telling the family, there was no chance he would have left these items behind. Feeling that something was wrong, the Kenyuas called the police. They had no idea just how wrong things were. Although the police responded immediately to the report and sent detectives over to interview the Kenyua family and search the property, nothing of note was found, apart from a dead fox in a container behind the Kenyua's home. This curious finding will later...
Окей, това ще го пропусна, защото е disgusting. И да, изчакайте. Но и така, сега.
Everything. 4 days after Kujo's disappearance, Jared Kenyua, the youngest boy in the family, was down in the basement when he found something that made his blood run cold. After confronting his older brother Alex about it, Jared told the rest of the family what he'd found, and the police were once again quickly called to the scene. In an interview with detectives, Jared revealed the nightmare he found in the basement.
We're here today to talk about an incident that occurred last night. Why don't you go ahead just in your own words?
Добре, това е хора много странно, не знам, това е на different level, в смисъл това не знам какъв е, но има едно друго, нали такова там, където просто ще ви го разкажа после.
Tell me what happened.
Last night, right before I took a shower, I was gonna go get my laundry bag. So I went down to the basement and I opened the laundry door. And I saw my blanket on top of a box, and as I was lifting the blanket up, I saw two pots.
Ще кажа YouTube. Моля ви се, не ми цензурирайте, в смисъл, не ми махайте видеото и не ми банвайте, защото просто реагирам. И да, това не означава, че или снимам, сега ще го кажа на английски. YouTube, please don't detraumatize my video because I made this and I just only react to the person who made it. И да, така, нека сега да продължим. И така.
Pans for baking, and in between them was a cutting board. So I lifted up the pan, 3 different objects, and they were kind of black with some gravy substance looking at them, and it looked like hands and a head. And as soon as I saw that, I really couldn't distinguish whether it was a face or somebody's face I knew or something. But I looked at it and I stopped myself. I stopped what I was doing. I went upstairs and I asked how.
Значи той е човек, който нали му е казал и нали такова, че там е намерил неща и сега нека да го продължим.
Come down here. And I asked him, what is it? And he said, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's none of your business and all that stuff. And he started avoiding my question.
Alongside interviewing
Lele.
Jared, detectives also spoke with Alex about this disturbing and suspicious discovery. As Alex has read his rights, the interview hits a slight snag.
Are you willing to talk to me after being advised of your rights? And that's, again, a yes or a no question. Same thing as the one on top. Okay, and then your initial right there.
Ай, хора, искам да се абонирате за този човек. Ще прави хубави видеа. И да.
And, oh, wait, you gotta read that last one. What this one says is, have I threatened you or forced you in any way to make you talk to me? No. I'm threatened right now. Okay, well.
Хора, това не е интересно, така че...
Да. It could be in anyway.
Why would your brother think there were human parts? Because he's been around animals. He said you guys used to cut up.
Gambling.
What forensic science is all about. I don't believe what TV says too much.
Това е леко гадно, така че да.
However, I'm aware that it's a hard thing for science. Do you believe that deoxyribonucleic acid is an indicator to identify who an individual is? You can pray because you have the X and Y chromosomes.
By what will happen when the end is reached. The poorest interrogations are those that trail off into an inconclusive nothingness. The successful interrogation of a strongly resistant source ordinarily involves 2 key processes: the calculated regression of the interrogatee and the progression of an acceptable rationalization. If these 2 steps have been taken, it becomes very important to clinch the new tractability by me.
Но, и да, това беше всичко за тази история, самото така казвам, каквото нали е разбрал, но да, това от мен, ако искате още такива реагиране на видеа, ще направя и да, до другия път. Peace.